Hey guys, Nick from Fluidampr, and today we're getting to some more frequently asked questions. So today's question is, what causes the inertia ring on a stock damper to move during a high performance application? So what that's referring to is the housing on a stock damper, on a rubber elastomer damper. You'll have your flange where it bolts to it, or the snout that slides over the crank, and then you'll have your inertia ring that goes around it. And in between is a bonded piece of rubber, elastomer. That's what holds them two together. So what's referred to as slippage is when the rubber starts to deteriorate, the outer ring that has your timing marks on it will actually move and it'll slip. So when you set your engine to top dead center, the timing marks might be off 10, 20, 30 degrees, causing you issues when you're trying to time it. So that is that is what we call slippage. So that is that answer to that question. To go along with that one, can fluid damper timing marks move? The answer is no. All of our dampers, the timing marks are either in CNC engraved or laser engraved, and they, because of the one-piece housing, there's no chance for it to slip or ever move. So once it's bolted on, you know the timing mark's always going to be in the same place every time. So if you have any other questions, be sure to shoot us an email, support@fluidampr.com, or give us a phone call. We'd be happy to answer them. We're going to get to some more frequently asked questions in some more videos. So until then, we'll see you guys soon.